Question number 10. What is it?
2x minus y.
एक मिनट यार. Question number 10. Yes.
2x minus y
2x minus y
minus 4
minus 4
is equals to 0.
is equal to 0.
Then x plus y
X plus y
plus 1
plus 1
is equals to 0.
is equal to 0. Okay. What you do? You bring this, hello?
Yes, sir.
You bring this y on this side. You bring this y on this side, it turns to be plus. तो ये हो जाएगा 2x minus 4 is equal to y. Right? Substitute in equation 2. Say this is equation 1. Say this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Right? So when we substitute this value of y in equation 1, so it becomes x plus 2x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be how much? This is 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. ये हो गया, ठीक है. So now put value of y, put the value of x in y is equal to 2x minus 4, then y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2. Oh, it is minus 2, right? So we get, so intersecting point is common point. So common intersecting point is 1 comma minus 2.
Yes, sir.
This is 1, this is minus 2, is 1 comma minus 2. We get it? This is, we have algebraically solved algebraically. Right? This is. Now solve this by graph. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
So solving by graph. Solving by graph. Right? That is, again we do y is equal to 2x minus 4. So if x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 4 becomes minus 2. If x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 2 bracket 0 minus 4 becomes minus 4. And if x is equal to 2, so then we have y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 4 becomes 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. You get this? So we get a table for this is like this: x and y. X is 1, y is minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 4. X is 2, y is 0. Right? This is for this equation. Now come to the next equation. That is, this is, we have y. Right? Equation is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus x minus 1. So x is equal to 1, then y is equal to
अब भाई यही रखेंगे, हाथ ले रहा नीचे नहीं रखना। ये तुम्हारी बेटा।
ठीक है. If you want, you can finish that part. Draw the graph later, na? Let us make it first. So if x is equal to 1, so y is equal to minus 1 becomes minus 2. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 0 minus 1 becomes minus 1. And if x is equal to x is equal to 2, right? Then y is equal to minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3. You get it? Now we draw the Punnett chart. X, y. X is 1, y is minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 1. X is 2, y is minus 3. We get this? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now what you will do now? We have to draw the graph. Huh? Should I rub all this?
Yes, sir.
X plus y. Right? So now we have yeah, right? We have what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. We have minus 1, we have minus 2, we have minus 3, we have minus 4, right? Now first 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2, ये हो गया 1 comma minus 2. Then 0 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 4, ये हुआ 0 comma minus, no, 0 comma minus 4 ये हुआ. This is 0 comma minus 4 and this is 1 comma minus 2, and then lastly we have 2 comma 0. So this will be 2 comma 0 will be here. There is 2 comma 0, right? So if you draw the line, it will go like this. This is the line we have, right? This is the line, and we get 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Next we have 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2 we have here also. This is also 1 comma minus 2. Then 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1 is here. This is 0 comma minus 1, and we have 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 will be here, right? This is 2 comma minus 3. So if we draw a line from here, it is here, right? This is the line. Equation of line is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is you get. So, and the intersecting point is 1 comma minus 2. So this is graphical representation. Graphical representation. You done this?
Yes, sir.
Where you done, man? So done. This question number 10 is over.
Doing,
Huh?
doing 11th.